Hello everyone and welcome to Talk Help Guy. Today I'll be teaching you how to protect your folders on your computer. So very quickly, let's begin the tutorial. So right now what we want to do is we want to head over to our files. So let's click on files. Let's create a folder that we want to protect. And then afterwards, what we want to do is there are actually two ways to protect your folder. The first one is through WinRAR. So make sure to download WinRAR. Select Add to Archive. And then let's rename the file to secret file. And then afterwards, on the bottom, you can set a password for your archived document. So let's put here 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then let's just retype this again, re-enter it, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Once you click OK and OK again, it will ask again for permission. And then afterwards, it already created the archived folder or archived file. Now, the other way to do this is by simply right-clicking on the document, going to Properties, and then go to Security and click on Administrator. And then you can edit their accessibility of the folder. So let's say you don't want them to write anything on the folder. So let's click or tick rather that box, or let's tick whatever box you want to deny them access to, and then just simply click apply and then click yes. And then afterwards, this will be applied now to your folder. So if you share this folder with someone else, or if someone else is using your computer, they won't be able to access this, not unless they're using the administrator file. So that's it for today's video tutorial. I hope you were able to learn something from this. And if you like it, please do click the like and subscribe button.